Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Now what we gotta do is reapply thermal compound. This is what it looks like, but it comes in a various amount of ways. It usually comes with a scraper. Mine didn't. You can use a credit card, or I'm using just a normal scraper. So the trick with this is to put a really thin layer. It's almost got to be see-through. Okay, I'm going to start with this side here. Actually, I'll shake it first. Go. There you go. And again on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to wash off my knife. There's no need to wait from here on out. All there is to do is to reassemble the unit. This compound you got to take off with rubbing alcohol. It'll stick to your tools, stick to your fingers. So I'll just shut off the camera and reinstall it like that.